I'm actually just pretending to unbox this. I'm not really unboxing this. Can you say good morning? It's Monday. It's December 14th. It's the start of a new vlog. Good morning. Hello, happy Monday, December 14th. Start of a new vlog. I am sitting here with my protein shake. Cheers. I don't really have that much planned for this week. What's new? Saturday was my birthday, December 12th. I'm a December baby. December 12th, Sagittarius season. I was intending to vlog on my birthday, but it was just such a gloomy day and I really just wanted to enjoy the time with my family. Eddie put up this like happy birthday banner behind me. After my birthday finished, like that night, he was like, should we take it down? And I was like, well, tomorrow's Taylor Swift's birthday and we celebrate Taylor Swift, so we'll leave it up. Also, a new addition. Oh, my straw's in the way. So anticlimactic. We got a wreath. We got it from Trader Joe's, which is probably the most magical place in the world. But we got a wreath and I'm very excited. We did put the wreath indoors so that we could enjoy it and we could see it and we could smell it. I also wanted to share that my mom got, this looks so much nicer, but we have all these cups. My mom got me flowers on Saturday. I like to think that she got them for me for my birthday, but she keeps calling them. She's like, my flowers look so pretty. And I'm like, are they not for me? Are they for you? Like, what's happening here? I am having these chicken tikka samosas. They are so good. I just tried them from Trader Joe's and I'm like addicted to them. That's what they look like. They're so good. A serving size is 2 and there are 6 servings in each box. Honestly, I just eat all of it because who can only eat 2 of these? I leave them a little longer in the oven because I like them crispier, and then I feel like when they come out just a little bit oily, so I put a napkin down in it just to soak up any excess oils. I'm going to eat this and then we're gonna watch some Netflix. We just finished watching the prom. I don't know if you can tell, but I am crying, full sobbing at the end. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's so beautiful. It's 2 hours long, so it's very long, but it is so good. The music is so good. It is phenomenal. What do you think about it? It was good. It was good.
It's number 2 on Netflix.
A man of many words. Eddie, you can say a lot about Eddie Hernandez, but he is a man of many words.
Yeah.
Also, can we just talk about the ambiance in my apartment? And this is why I literally get nothing done. Honestly, I have been loving rainy, gloomy days, especially since I don't have to go out. We have light from the tree. We have a little bit of light seeping in. And then on the TV light, we like to put orange because it just goes with the whole like warm glow ambiance of the room. And I am very content. I'm very happy. Okay. Oh. My Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing New Horizons Edition unboxing. I'm actually just pretending to unbox this. I'm not really unboxing this because I already took it out. And I was gonna put it back for the aesthetic of unboxing, but then I got lazy. Had a Switch before, my Nintendo Switch Lite, who we love. We love her. She is iconic. She got me through some tough times this summer. Love. My boyfriend for my birthday got me the Animal Crossing Switch that I am just over the moon about. I'm gonna show you the components since I already unboxed it. This is what my new Switch looks like. It is so cute. The what are these called? Joy-Cons. This one is mint and this is blue, which is so pretty together. The back is white, which I really like, and then if you look closely, it just has this like Animal Crossing imagery. I love my Switch Lite, do not get me wrong. I think it's just like the perfect size, but I've seen people have both, and a lot of people like the Switch Lite more. And again, do not get me wrong, my Switch Lite is that girl. I love her, but I'm kind of loving the bigger screen, and I'm loving being able to play on the TV, which I can't do with this one. For like these parts, when you take them off, they come with these 2, and again, they're white, which I really like, and then they have the corresponding strap. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Strap. And it has mint and it has blue, and then the dock is so cute. It is white and it has Tom Nook and Timmy and Tommy on it on a little island with the water, and it is so freaking cute. It looks so cute, especially when you put it all in. I can't. That is my very anticlimactic unboxing. because I already unboxed it and I was too lazy to vlog on my birthday to actually unbox it in person. Hello. It is Tuesday. It is December, what day is it? 15th. It is about 1 p.m. We have done nothing today. Now we're watching One Night Only, the best of Broadway. It's so good so far. We're only like 12 minutes in. It's about an hour and a half special, but it is so good. I love Broadway. When I was younger, my mom's boss at the time would buy us Broadway tickets for Christmas, and then it became kind of a tradition that my mom and I would go see Broadway. I think my first ever show was Wicked. We've seen Beauty and the Beast. We've seen The Chorus Line. We've seen Mamma Mia. And it became such a tradition. As I got older, I don't know, bills pile up, responsibilities kick in, and I never really quite budgeted to go to Broadway shows, even though I love Broadway and I really do want to go. So I would say watching this makes me really nostalgic, and honestly, when things start opening up, I'm going to be there to support the Broadway community. I was sitting here just being like, you know, the vlog's kind of dry. I'm not sure what to cover this week, and Eddie had some wonderful, one wonderful idea for me to grow my channel.
Start Animal Crossing drama.
Sitting here just like talking about Animal Crossing, and he's got so excited. He's like, you know what you should do? You should start some Animal Crossing drama. And I was like, with who? Who do I start drama with? Like, I start drama with my villagers, I start drama with Animal Crossing channels. Like, who do I do? If you're watching and you have an Animal Crossing channel or you play Animal Crossing, I would like to start drama with you per Eddie's suggestion. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is Wednesday? Wednesday? What?
Wednesday.
No. It's Wednesday, December 16th. It is about 12:30 p.m. My mom is at her colonoscopy appointment. Because of COVID, I couldn't go in with her, so I am leaving. Eddie and I are leaving a little later to go pick her up. If I pick her up, we're just gonna walk with her to the train. Unless she doesn't feel good, then we're gonna call an Uber. It is very cold today. It apparently feels like 10 degrees outside. Not excited for that, and it's supposed to snow. We're leaving a little early so that we can stop by Trader Joe's. So I will take you along with me. This is the first time in a while that I washed my hair, and I desperately needed to. I know that it's not good for you to wash your hair every day, but I have tried to train my hair not to wash it every day, but it just feels so oily, so I have to wash it every day. But let me show you guys my outfit. Eddie is here.
I wash my hair every day.
Someone's showing off today. This is what I'm wearing. It's all black, so it might be a little hard to see, but I am wearing this sweater, this black sweater from Old Navy. It's kind of itchy, so I have a long sleeve undershirt inside. I have leggings. I normally wear these to the gym, but they're so comfortable I wanted to wear them out. And then I have my Stuart Weitzman, I think these are called the 50/50s that I am wearing. And then my Amazon necklaces that I'm obsessed with. So this is the outfit today. Somebody needs to put on his little coat because it's cold outside. Kenny hates clothes. I know that some dogs don't mind clothes, but my dog will play dead. I struggle with anxiety, and it sounds stupid, but these little mints just kind of help keep me calm, so I always take a bunch with me when I leave the house. It's as bundled up as I can get. Honestly, it takes so much time in the winter just getting out of the door. Hat, mask, winter coat, my Coach purse that Eddie got for me as a gift that I absolutely love, and hopefully we're warm enough, but we'll see. Update. We were running late, no surprise. We left our house a little late, the train was slow, so we're not going to Trader Joe's first. We're heading to the east side to around 2nd Avenue to pick up my mom, and if she's up for it, then we'll go to Trader Joe's on the way back, but if not, no big deal.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed.
I've lived in New York my entire life, and every time I go to the east side, I never know if it's like Madison or Lexington or 3rd, like whichever one comes first. I never know. And I just asked Eddie, who's also lived in New York his whole life, and he doesn't know either. We just picked up Mama Win. She's doing okay, so we're gonna go over to Trader Joe's.
Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight.
We're in Trader Joe's right now and it's very crowded. I haven't been here since pre-COVID, so I'm a little overwhelmed.
Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers.
We just came back from Trader Joe's, which was very, very hectic. It was very crowded. It was my first time being at Trader Joe's since everything. What were you doing?
I was taking off my belt.
I asked Eddie to help me with my Trader Joe's haul, but he is just wandering around doing everything but helping me. So this is now a one-woman show. We love the reusable Trader Joe bags. I think I've mentioned that before. We got the insulated one because I had intended to get ice cream, although I left with no ice cream. Got some green beans. We love these like pre-cut green beans. They're like just easy to see. Oh. Oh, we got Chick-fil-A for lunch, and then they also had a Cinnabon, so we got Cinnabon. Obviously, the weight loss lifestyle change is just null and void today. We got green beans. I always love keeping a bag of green beans in the fridge because I like to roast them. My mom likes to steam them, but they're just easy to put with some protein. We got some ribs so my mom can make for Eddie. We got some pork gyoza pot stickers. These are Eddie's favorites, so we always get those for him. We got honey walnut shrimp. This is crispy battered shrimp with candied walnuts, which sounded really good. I've never tried this before, but I have tried the like orange chicken, the chicken teriyaki, the Kung Pao chicken. So this seemed like in that world, so I feel like I would like that. I got one box of the steamed chicken soup dumplings. I normally get either these or the pork ones. They're so good. They're just such an easy lunch, and honestly, from being from Trader Joe's and from being from a box, these soup dumplings are so good. I've never tried these before, but I have seen them everywhere. I follow so many Trader Joe accounts and I've seen this everywhere. It's a Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken mochi balls. I love mochi. I love that chewy texture, and my mom likes Kung Pao chicken, so I feel like we would like these. This I got because I'm loving Indian food at the moment. I'm such on an Indian food kick. This is the chicken breast medallions with coconut red curry sauce. It says it's fully cooked. All you have to do is heat and serve. So that sounds delicious. I should have gotten like some like frozen like basmati rice to eat with it, but I have like jasmine rice at home. And then I also got, I always get this, is the chicken tikka masala. Just comes with the rice and the chicken tikka. This honestly, again, from being from Trader Joe's and being from a box, is delicious. For a little healthy touch, we got some butternut squash zigzags. I love butternut squash. I roast them with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of cinnamon, and it's delicious. My mom loves bread. Like, a baguette is her favorite thing in the world, so we got a baguette. Eddie got some milk chocolate covered mini pretzels. We got some pears. I love pears. Got apples. These are Envy apples. They are my absolute favorite apples in the entire world. They're so delicious. They're so sweet. And honestly, after trying these, we don't eat any other apple. Trader Joe's has like the best flowers and plants and stuff like that. I saw this. I really wanted that like grumpy tree that everyone was sharing, but I was too late and they're sold out. So we got a little mini poinsettia that I think was like $5.99 or $3.99. So cute. I think we're gonna put it by the TV there. Then I saw this and was so excited. I think they honestly just called it like glitter tree, and that's what it looks like. And it comes in this little tin. They had a white one and a red one, so if you're looking for a specific aesthetic. I personally love red. The more festive, the better, so I got this one. And then the last thing we got are bananas. My mom and I love bananas. I can eat, honestly, 4 of these in one sitting. So we got bananas because we like to have it in the house. And that is everything.